In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your YouTube account from other devices. This is a great way to secure your account if you've used it on someone else's device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone or open your browser and go to the YouTube app or website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in YouTube, tap on your profile picture to access your account settings. Now go to Settings or simply click on Manage your Google account. Now navigate to the Security tab. This is where you can manage all security related options for your account. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Your Devices. Here you'll see all the devices where your account is currently signed in. Click on Manage All Devices. Now tap on the device you want to sign out from. You may see an option that says Sign Out or Remove Access. Simply click on Sign Out. Confirm your choice if prompted and you'll be signed out from that device. And that's it, you've successfully signed out of your YouTube account from other devices.